Just what you have been looking for. Waterfront one-level open floor plan custom-built home with no POA fees. As you enter from the rocking chair front porch, the main level is adorned with beautiful tongue-and-groove vaulted ceilings with abundant cans and natural light. The kitchen is gorgeous with coffee-colored cabinetry, a copper sink, under-cabinet lighting and rich granite. The master suite and large screened porch overlook exquisite views of the private cove on Smith Mountain Lake. Convenient third garage underneath to store the ATV/golf cart for easy access to the two-slip dock. Home is wired for sound and exterior security cameras. Large great room on lower level features recessed wall shelving and wainscoting made from 100-years-old lumber. 2x6 wall construction and argon filled, low-E windows for max efficiency.